The video addresses the detrimental effects of external criticisms that dishearten students during challenging periods. It argues that overcoming such negativity is crucial for fostering personal motivation and achieving success. In this context, the concept of resilience is underscored, illustrating that the genuine satisfaction of success emerges from conquering challenges deemed insurmountable by others. This perspective promotes an empowering and optimistic mindset. Moreover, the significance of establishing clear and attainable goals is highlighted as a fundamental initial step toward academic success. These goals serve as navigational guides, providing both direction and impetus for achieving desired outcomes. Equally important is the practice of deconstructing study materials into feasible tasks, which is essential for effective preparation. This systematic approach not only maintains students' motivation but also keeps them aligned with their examination timelines. Furthermore, hard work is presented as the cornerstone of success. Emphasizing the importance of self-belief, the discussion asserts that achieving goals is rooted in dedication rather than an arbitrary reliance on luck. It is also suggested that students disconnect from distractions, such as social media, during intense study phases. This strategy enhances focus and often results in greater respect from peers for such commitment. The role of dopamine is notably significant in shaping our perceptions of happiness and motivation. It is argued that when we articulate our goals, the brain's dopamine response can create a false sense of satisfaction, potentially leading to inaction. Consequently, it is advisable to refrain from sharing goals until they are attained. This practice mitigates the risk of premature satisfaction that may arise merely from discussing one's intentions. Effective planning involves jotting down tasks the evening prior to execution, rather than adhering to rigid schedules. Such a flexible methodology enhances both productivity and individual accountability. Additionally, employing a backward strategy enables students to pinpoint crucial topics by examining previous exam questions. This targeted approach is instrumental in maximizing study effectiveness within constrained timeframes. Setting alarms as reminders emerges as an effective technique to minimize distractions during study sessions. This strategy fosters concentrated periods of study by prompting students to adhere to their agenda. Active recall is advocated as a robust method for bolstering memory retention. Engaging in the practice of recalling information after reading significantly enhances understanding and promotes long-term retention. The concept of a dopamine detox is introduced as a crucial strategy to counteract the distractions introduced by mobile devices that impede effective study and learning. Grasping the underlying science of dopamine can enhance overall motivation. Furthermore, monitoring mobile usage can illuminate the time allocated to unproductive endeavors, such as social media, thereby encouraging healthier study habits. Prioritizing educational applications over social media platforms can considerably improve focus. Long-lasting motivation is often derived from personal inspirations rather than solely from motivational videos. Identifying role models within one's life can offer sustained encouragement and intrinsic motivation. The narrative surrounding Sri Krishna in the Mahabharata serves to illustrate the significance of selecting an appropriate support system. Arjun's choice emphasizes the paramount value of mentorship over mere resource accessibility. Identifying personal inspirations can catalyze enhanced motivation. The speaker underscores the essential role that having a mentor or a role model can play in driving individuals to exert greater effort in their pursuits. Finally, the belief in oneself is posited as a fundamental element for achieving a resurgence in academics or any arena of life. The speaker encourages viewers to uphold their faith despite the inevitable external doubts and obstacles they may encounter.